All right, Zach, thank you so much for that update. Meanwhile, security remains tight outside of the Fulton County Courthouse. Law enforcement have their hands full, certainly keeping order and securing that area. 11 Alive's Joe Ripley joining us live outside the Fulton County Courthouse. And Joe, what does it look like out there right now? Paint the scene for us.
Yeah, so we've been out here all day outside the Fulton County Courthouse. As you can see behind me, this portion of Pryor Street has been blocked really all week long. You can see the Fulton County Sheriff's deputies' vehicles blocking this portion from MLK Drive all the way up to Mitchell Street, about a block up north that way. So for us, we got a test early on this morning about just how full the Fulton County Sheriff's Office hands are when they came in contact with some protesters here on a completely unrelated matter.
They kept blowing their sirens. I can barely hear anything right now.
Easing into the week,
if you do not disperse, you may be arrested.
Is no easy task, especially at the Fulton County Courthouse. Inside, a grand jury heard testimony related to Georgia's 2020 election. This group of people say, though, they want to exercise their right to protest.
People are allowed to walk back and forth right there, and there's no one stopping them whatsoever. We have a legal right to protest on the sidewalk.
Kamau Franklin led the protesters.
Cop City will never be built!
Intent on blocking the building of a new Atlanta Public Safety Training Center, the group confronted Fulton County deputies who kept diverting the protesters around the courthouse, where security has increased in the weeks ahead of a decision to indict.
All they're doing is trying to score political points. And that's why we're out here to say, if you care about so-called democracy, you have to care about democracy no matter who is trying to exercise it.
We asked the Fulton County Sheriff's Office how protests like these might impact security measures in and out of the courthouse. A spokesperson sent us this statement saying the corner of Martin Luther King Jr. Drive and Central Avenue is designated for First Amendment protected activities like protesting. They have been directed there. This does not affect anything at the courthouse. The sheriff has not told us how much manpower is devoted to keep the peace during the grand jury proceedings, but said it and other law enforcement would remain vigilant throughout the week. It is very notable. Inside the courthouse, outside the courthouse, we've noticed more security, even K-9 units walking around just moments ago. Fulton County Sheriff Patrick Labat told me earlier this month that he would be working with local, state, and federal law enforcement to secure this area, keep it safe, protect protesters, while at the same time assessing any security threats.
All right, Joe, certainly a lot going on out there. Thank you so much. To follow the latest developments in this ongoing investigation here in Georgia in Fulton County, all you have to do is text the word Trump to the number you see there on your screen. We will send you a direct link with the very latest information. That number 404-885-7600.